our clients and those that know a little bit about us know that we're really good at what we call operations diagnostics, due diligence. We're really good at imaging a current state, understanding a current dynamic in a factory, operation, supply chain, warehouse, distribution system, new product development scenarios, et cetera. We know what they're doing today. We're also really, really good at challenging what it could be given certain scenarios. So it would look similar in some ways to what we do in diagnostic, but I don't choose to use diagnostic because we're throwing a host of what I call scenarios at the current circumstance. We're going to stress current capacity. We're going to stress current human capital, size and capability. We're going to stress the supply chain for lead time challenges. We can drop in scenarios that say, what if our customers absolutely demand 12 weeks? What has to change? If the demand were to shrink 10% and the mix more dramatically than that, what has to change? So we're going to look at those things. And again, I call it war games. And we have to be prepared for these things. Now, the stress test in and of itself will not tell you the answer, but it'll give you something for an executive team to ponder and a basis upon which we can make better decisions. You can't wait till you're in the war. You got to play the war games and understand what you're going to do. And I think it's time to do that because I think that on the people side, on the hard asset, capital asset, equipment and machinery side, on the supply chain side, on the new product and development side, there's a host of options that we can take that in 18, 24, and 36 months, we can change the outcome. We can create an outcome that fits the scenarios that we believe we're more likely to face. And when we do that, and if we do that, we'll be the winner, someone else won't be. And again, everyone I work with, I try to challenge them, we got to win. We're not in this playing around. We're going to win. The other guy's not.